हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हम 10th एक्सपर्ट के न्यूमेरिकल्स कर रहे थे। उसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में हमने कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स किए थे और उसमें अभी हम न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे। नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल विल बी रीडिंग ऑफ अ मीटर in ampere for the following circuit is. This is the circuit. Battery is connected 2 volt meter. This is 1 ohm resistance. It is also 1 ohm, 1.5 ohm and 1 ohm also. We know that in parallel branches the potential difference remains the same. So the potential difference across AXB will be equal to the potential difference across AYB, and it will be equal to the potential of battery, that is 2 volt given. So the resultant resistance in the branch AXB R is equal to 1 plus 1 ohm and V will be equal to 2 ohm given. So current in this branch will be, that is 1 ampere. The next numerical, the reading of voltmeter in the given circuit will be this is the circuit. This given resistance is 200 ohm. This is 300 ohm, 100, and voltmeter is of 600 ohm resistance. This is voltmeter 600 ohm, and potential difference EMF of the cell is 100 volt. The equivalent resistance of the circuit R equivalent is 200 plus 100 plus equivalent of the parallel resistance is 300 and 600. It can be written as 300 into 600 upon 300 plus 600, because it is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So R equivalent will be equal to 500 ohm. So the total current in the circuit I is given by V upon R. So 100 upon 500, that will be equal to 1.5 ampere. So we can calculate the current which is passes through the voltmeter, because 1.5 current, total current in the circuit is 1.5 ampere. So current in 600 ohm will be equal to 1 by 600 upon 1 by 300 plus 1 by 600 into 1 by 5 ampere. It is equal to 1 by 600, 2 plus 3 into 1 by 5. It is equal to 1 by 15 ampere. Now the reading volt of voltmeter V is equal to IR. So it is equal to 1 by 15 into 600, that is 40 volt. The next numerical is, in case of the circuit arrangement shown below, the equivalent resistance between A and B is, this resistance is of 10 ohm, This is again 10, 10 ohm and 10. We have to find the equivalent resistance between A and B. We can consider the 3 points. One is A here. This is point A. Another point B and then C. This point is B. This C point. The resistance between A and B is only 10 ohm. Between this is also C point. Between B and C, 10 ohm again. It is also between B and C, and this resistance is between A and C. So equivalent circuit will be this. All the resistances are of 10 ohm. So equivalent resistance 10 plus 5, because both 10 and 10 are parallel. The equivalent will be 5, and this is another 10 ohm resistance. R equivalent is equal to 15 into 10 upon 15 plus 10, that is 150 divided by 25, it is 6 ohm. Next question is the net resistance between point P and Q in the circuit shown in figure is. Find the equivalent resistance in given figure. This point is earth, it is also earth, then resistance, value of resistance is R and R. This is P point and this is Q point. We have to find the resistance, equivalent resistance between P and Q, because these 2 points are common, goes to the earth. So the equivalent figure, this R and this R are series, it will be equal to 2R, then R given P and Q. So R equivalent is 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R, 1 upon R equivalent. So it is equal to 2R, 1 plus 2 plus 2, and R equivalent will be 2R by 5. Next question is, if the value of each resistor is 1 ohm, then find the equivalent resistance from given figure. This is point A, this is point B, and here another resistance is R, 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 R and R. You can see these all points, this point A and this point and this point and this point, all are at common potential. So no current is flowing between these circuits, and the equivalent circuit will be this point is A, and all 3 points are equivalent to B, because this is a common line. So equivalent resistance R equivalent will be equal to R by 3, and here R is given, R is equal to 1 ohm, so R equivalent will be 1 by 3 ohm.